what's up? Doc here with Dr. Out of Spa. So if you're just tying into our video, we've got a brand new 2023 Ford Bronco. Look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. I'd love to own one myself. But anyway, it's here for some long-term protection. We're putting our entry-level coating on. Actually, truthfully, we've already done so, but I'm going to walk you through the steps here. So watch this video and you kind of see all the different things that we've done. And of course, you're looking at the after view right now. Hope you enjoy the video. Well guys, it's a wrap. We have done our work on this beautiful Ford Bronco. What a privilege it was. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much, customer. And if you have an interest in any of our services or any questions about what we do, feel free to reach out to us on social media. Drop us a phone call or look us up here online on our website. We really appreciate your likes and our shares of our video too. So thanks again for tying in. We're Dr. Out of Spa. Hope you have an awesome day. Till next time.